Good morning, guys. It is currently 4 a.m. Woke up, brushed my teeth, washed my face, put a little bit of makeup on, got ready, everything was packed and ready to go. I'm going to head to the airport. I'm flying from Gatwick and then get my flight. I arrive in Palma in Gran Canaria at 11 a.m. and then I'm going to make my way to where the cruise is. It's about half an hour drive. I'm going to try and get the bus from the airport to the cruise, then meet my bestie Caroline, who I'm visiting. She's a dancer on the Aida Cosma cruise at the moment. This is her second contract, so I'm really excited to see her and see all of her shows. We're going to meet at the port and then we're going to check all my luggage in. Then we're going to get some lunch. Just excited to see what it's like. It's my first ever time on a cruise, so it's going to be really, really fun. I'm very excited to take you along with me. In the car on the way to Gatwick. It is Baltic in here. It is 5 degrees Celsius. How do you feel about that, Mr. Collins?
Cold.
Oh, get me in the 18-degree heat now. Anything is better than 5 degrees in England. Oh my gosh, made it with 4 minutes to spare onto the flight. Love that for me. Mother Nature decided to, when the gate number came up, present itself. So I had to run to Boots, go to the toilet and then run to my gate, but I made it. So I'm getting on the flight now.
outside. It is beautiful.
20 degrees here in Madeira.
20 degrees and raining.
Yes.
But it's okay.
We've
On
had
the
an
cable
eventful.
cars, yes.
Yeah.
We went for breakfast, very busy.
It's New Year's Day currently, 2024. Here we go.
Yeah.
Whoop whoop. Yeah, it started off really nice actually. We saw all the fireworks, didn't we?
Amazing.
They were incredible.
So
Apparently they're the
good.
best in Europe. But
I would say that they were the best I've ever seen. So yeah. I would agree. Yes, we saw the fireworks. We partied in Beach Club.
That was good fun, wasn't it?
Yeah. Then the alarm went off and the sprinklers went off, so we got soaking inside.
If I drop my water, I'd be very upset. Ooh, I just a little bit. Ooh, did that come on last night?
No.
Washing over me. I feel it calling me. I feel it calling me. Waves crash over my skin. Feel love coming in. Feel it washing over me. Waves got me feeling alive. In the dawn of the light, set me free.
I like all the music today actually.
Hi, MTV, welcome to my crib. It's our backstage area. Where we make this look pretty.
Aw, and this is Carolyn Austin's little area. Very cute. We've got her wig, got all the little hair products, makeup, woo! And costumes are over here. And that is our backstage tour. Oh my god, cute. You go, girl! It is the final day. It's nearly time for my flight. We're just getting my luggage off of the ship. It's been the most amazing week, and I really hope that you've enjoyed coming along with me. See you soon.